you're in here like every week?
Yeah, we're usually on the other side though.
Oh, okay. On the other side there? How much is it?
Those are 25.
25. Oh, okay. This
$1.
one? Yeah, let's help you adjust this leak. Bro Sista, kalau yang baru salam kenal semua, nama gua Bayu. Jangan lupa video gua di share, di like sama subscribe bro. Thank you so much. Hai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh bro. Sekarang gua mau hunting lagi bro, barang-barang loa. Ini bener-bener loa gua dapet nih. Dan ini pasti luar biasa karena gua dapet yang kayak Hot Wheel, kayak ada sepatu-sepatu sneaker yang loa-loa kayak gitu bro. Kedua terus, oke, let's go. Oke, hari yang cerah lagi di Concord, California. Cuman nih hari yang luar biasa bro, karena kita kayak dapet nambangnya itu banyak banget di hari ini. Gue juga sampai kaget gitu bro. Kok bisa nih beruntung banget di hari ini. One adult. Nah, Amerika sekarang lagi musim panas nih bro. Ini panasnya juga nggak ketulungan, panas banget. Lu kalau coba perhatiin video gue yang sebelum-sebelumnya, itu masih kayak dingin berangin gitu. Cuman hari ini gue nggak tahu nih, panas mendidih. Cuman tidak mensurutkan kita untuk mencari barang-barang bekas di antara tumpukan-tumpukan ini bro. Ini banyak emasnya di sini, oke? Sekarang kita cari sesuatu yang luar biasa. There's another shoes here. Wow. You have 10.5. Size 10.5. Huh? I Nike and then
Min?
huh?
Min size?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is 10.5. Oh, this is 12. It's too big. Hoka. Wow. Wow, that's cool. Is it?
8.5.
Oh, 8.5. How much is it?
Huh?
How much is it?
Those are 25.
25. Oh, so it's like different kind of size,
It's
yeah?
up here.
Oh, it's to spread everything. Okay.
Up here.
Oh, they want $10.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, that one. How much?
50.
Huh?
50.
15?
50.
Oh, 50.
50.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes, okay. It's different price, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. What size is it? Oh, 9.5. Wow.
Size 12.
Oh, you're in here like every week?
Yeah, we're usually on the other side though.
Oh, okay. On the other side there? Ah, I see. All right. Okay, I really like this one, but yeah, it's too small for me. Wow. I hope. So, I mean, like every week you here and then it's a different kind of size, yeah?
Yeah.
You have Air Jordan too? Oh, they're Air Jordan.
Trajimos algunos por lo mismo. Pero
This is
poco a poco vamos.
This is Adidas. Oh, Adidas. That's cool. This one. It's cool, but I think it's too small too. So this size, this one is 10.
No, those
Oh.
are 50.
Oh, this one 15.
50.
Oh, 50. Oh, okay. Wow, that's cool. This one. Alright then, thank you so much. Gila bro, sepatunya keren-keren banget tadi. Duh, tiap minggu katanya bakalan ada. Kita harus beli ini bro, dan ini luar biasa mantap nih. dia bro, kenikmatan yang hakiki kalau lu itu pergi ke pasar loak. Beneran nih, lu ngeliat orang-orang pada kayak ngorek-ngorek pasar loak kayak gitu, kayak nyari-nyari emas kayak gitu, dan lu itu juga ikutan cari-carian kayak gitu. Itu kenikmatannya bro. Nah, di antara tumpukan-tumpukan ini nih, gua ternyata ngeliat kayak sepatu gitu bro. Ini ngeliat sepatu ini steel gak sih?
I got shoes here. Look at the shoes. Nothing. Look at the shoes.
Aduh, kita skip dulu nih. Sepatunya udah rombeng banget, nggak bisa kita bawa ini.
Look at the shoes. Look at the shoes here. Look at this. Nike. What size is it? Yes,
Okay. Gracias.
How much is one? How much? 20. Sepatu juga Nike juga bro. Oke, ini ukuran 10,5 nih, ukuran gua nih bro. Nggak tahu nih berapa nih. Ini juga oke. White color. Is it for a woman ya? Halo. How much for this? How much for this? 15. That's right. 15 bro.
Nggak tahu kenapa bro, kenapa sepatu putihnya nggak gue beli ya? Aduh, gue nyesel nih dia.
Toys here. Toys here. Oh, there's a Hot Wheels here. How much is one?
Which one?
This
$1.
one.
Gila-gila, ini emas kayaknya di hari ini nih. Ini cuman harganya $1 doang, dan ini yang dari langka-langka gitu. Duh, kita borong.
This one also one.
These are $3 each or 4 for 10.
Oh.
Nah, kalau yang ini nih namanya pullback car nih bro. Kalau lu sering nonton video gue suka nyari-nyari gini di Walgreen. Ini pullback car lebih murah tapi di sini.
Sell for like $6.99 or $5.99 in the store right now.
Oh, yeah. I see that. Yeah. Looking for this BMW Roadster. Okay. Let me keep this one first, okay?
Bro, bener-bener bro, bantuin gua mana yang gua ketinggalan sekarang nih.
From where you get it, this one?
When we go to Los Angeles,
Oh, no, yeah. Because this one is the old one. Yeah, it's like 1997.
yeah.
Yeah. So, cool.
Gue seriusan nih, lu kalau cari mobil yang blue car kayak gini bro, kayak di eBay atau di online kayak gitu, ini harganya udah melambung tinggi, bisa sampai $10 atau 10 kali lipat ini. Kalau di Indonesia itu harganya lebih mahal lagi bro. Aduh, ini bener-bener gue nyari tuh sampai gemeteran tangan gue ini.
Pontiac. Only here you have it? Only this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this one don't have others? Oh, the one is others, yeah?
These are $5 a pack.
Oh, this is $5. Oh.
It's like that's like a wholesale price I'm selling.
Yeah.
Selling cheap because I don't want to buy any more. Too much book.
Yeah, is it?
Si penjualnya lumayan juga marketingnya nih bro, sampai dikasih diskon sampai dibilang ini adalah harga yang super duper murah katanya.
Oh, this Hot Wheel. How much this one? 20. Okay.
Nah, lu kalau ke pasar loak lihat tumpukan mainan-mainan kayak gini, lu wajib untuk ngeceknya bro, karena di sini kadang lu bisa dapet barang-barang yang langka kayak gitu, dan ya itu udah tumpuk-tumpuk gitu, jadi mesti kita cari satu persatu gitu.
Do you want that one? Hot Wheel for $18 I'll give you.
Oh, just later on then.
It's $29 in the store.
Yeah. Later on, it's fine.
Oh,
Thank you.
get one more and make it 5.
Yeah.
Oh, this one, right?
I take two. Another will be 5. I take 2. Is it okay?
It's $1 is cheap because I don't make nothing in this. I'm losing in this.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would pay.
Oh, okay. All right then.
I'll
Thank.
put this one separately so I will remember.
Oh, okay. All right then. Sure. Thank you so much.
I paid my own and I'm selling it for 1, so I'm losing, right?
Alright then, thank you so much then. Oke bro, gue dapet banyak Hot Wheel gitu. Waduh, yang serunya tuh Hot Wheel itu Hot Wheel tua-tua gitu bro. Dan gue pasti itu kalau Hot Wheel tua gitu investasi itu mantep karena harga itu bakalan naik terus gitu kan. Kita cari sepatu-sepatu sekarang. Oke, let's go.
Brother, there was.
Since when is it you collecting this one?
See, that was 1970.
Ooh, this one. Your collection?
Yeah, no, I'm buying
From where?
auctions.
Oh, the auction.
Yeah, this stuff.
Oh, this stuff. Okay, alright. You have a toy?